Hi and welcome to Chicago Steak Company. My name is Josh and I wanted to personally thank you first of all for receiving and enjoying some of our perfectly packaged products in your home. What I want to do now is go through an unboxing of your much anticipated order. Our products are packaged in dry ice and shipped to your home. When you receive your order, it will come in a perfectly packaged shrink wrapped cooler just like this. And here's a pro tip, you can reuse this cooler. Now let me walk you through the contents and give you an overview of your order. Let's open it up. Awesome. First thing is you're gonna notice some dry ice, and that's keeping your product frozen. Make sure you don't touch the dry ice with your hands and try to avoid putting it on a wooden surface. It's best to let it evaporate in a well-ventilated area or just leave it in the box once you removed everything, put the lid on and let it dissipate. It's also normal if you don't see dry ice in the package when it arrives. The product will still be frozen, but the dry ice will dissipate during shipping. So when you first open it, you're gonna find your packing slip, okay? And so make sure your order is correct before opening anything. Although we take a huge amount of pride in making sure to check that every single order we process is right, so you're satisfied with your order. You'll also get one of these handy registration cards designed specifically for your order and processed just for you. Each order has a unique registration number specific to your order. You want to hold on to that. You're also going to see an updated ordering catalog from Chicago Steak Company. It's going to have everything that we offer in there, maybe some deals. Check it out. You can also check out the Steak University page on our website for in-depth cooking tips and a whole lot more steak education for you up-and-coming steak aficionados. When you receive your order, it's also important to look at your steak longingly and admire the marbling and beautiful cut. Because as much as we take pride in the shipping and order details, it's really all about our superior product. And as you can see, these amazing steaks are individually vacuum sealed so you can enjoy them at your leisure. That looks amazing. Once you've unboxed everything, make sure you transfer it to a freezer right away, unless you can't wait to eat them. Then you can fridge thaw them for 24 hours and let them bloom afterwards, and you can cook them how you please. May I suggest my favorite, which is to pan fry in a cast iron skillet with garlic and butter and a healthy dose of Chicago steak spice, which is the best steak spice I've ever encountered. So there you have it, the unboxing of steak brilliance brought to you by Chicago Steak Company. If you have any questions or comments or just want to share some of the pictures of your amazing steaks, we'd love to hear from you. You can follow us on Twitter or check us out on Facebook. And make sure you head over to mychicagosteak.com to order yours today.